have a lot of universities of applied science, and I think most of all have some offerings regarding blockchain, like courses or continuing education programs. It is like there has been some lucky incidents. So first of all, the Ethereum Foundation, so from the Ethereum blockchain, had their what was located in Zug. We can also think about notary services or record keeping. We can think about like having some kind of ownership topics or tracking of loyalty points or tokens. We can have legal contracts with this. We can use it for supply chain and supply chain tracking of goods. To test if they really like this, and then from these tests you learn, and then you improve your product. So it's not like a one-way direction, it's like a cycle where you get better and better each time. Then I think you heard about the business model canvas, so how to like visualize a business model, and then at the end you implement it and you send it out to the customer.